All right, boys and girls, we're going to do this on the Elmo real quick. I picked 3 objects to measure, and then we can draw them. All right. So I'm going to have to turn off the video in order for us to do this. Okay?
Okay, second grade, on this first part, you're going to have to find, if you're at home, you're going to have to find some objects that you can measure with an inch ruler. And then draw them. They don't have to be exactly inside the box. You're just going to draw the picture and then tell me how long it was. It says at the bottom to make it be between 2 and 6 inches in length. Okay, next page. Boys and girls, today what we're going to do is we're going to estimate. Estimate means kind of guess. It's like do the best answer that you can, but it doesn't have to be exact. Okay? Estimate the lengths of objects by mentally partitioning the lengths into inches. If you look up here, it says this bead at the end of the string is 1 inch long. Okay? They're saying that bead is 1 inch long. Use the bead to help you find how many beads that will fit on the string, which is the best estimate for the length of a string. So they're just saying they don't really know, okay, what the answer would be. But they're pretending like, okay, if they know that's the bead, then they think that that bead will be another one right there, 3, 4, 5. They're saying they think it'll probably be about 5 inches long. 2 inches is too short. They don't think just 2 beads would fit on there. They need more beads. They think 8 inches might be too long. Okay? So what you're doing today, with this on your share and show, is they gave you a bead. You have to kind of guess how many beads are going to be on there. Okay? Do you think just 1? Obviously just 1 doesn't fit. Do you think having 2 or 3 will fit, or do you think 5 will fit? 3. Okay? You're doing this with your partner. All right? Then you can do this side on your own. Okay, number 7 real quick. Use the 1 inch mark. Estimate the length of each ribbon. So you have a red ribbon and a blue ribbon. They're saying this is 1 inch. Okay, from here to here. How many inches then do you think the red ribbon would be, and how many do you think the blue would be? Guys, if you need to, maybe take a finger. Like, if your finger tip or something like this is like from, look at me. Your finger to the top of your finger to the first line, you know how your fingers have lines?
Yeah.
Okay, if that's about 1 inch for you, then see how many fingertips it makes for you. Okay? If that's about that, see how many fingertips it takes for you to get to the end of it. Alright? So I'm going to have you still do that on your own. But instead of having to circle an answer, you have to write it down. Remember, it says about, so it doesn't have to be exact. Okay? Just do the best that you can. Let's go to the problem-solving page.
I'll probably learn too hard. So you'll read it.
I was going to say, we need to read them first. Read number 8 to see what you're doing.
Now has a string that is the length of 5 beads. Each bead is 2 inches long. What is the length of the string?
Okay, so guys, she has a string, and she has a bead, and she actually has 5 beads. Okay? That's what it means. I like to draw pictures. She has a string with 5 beads. Okay, I know those beads are not all the same size. Just bear with me. Not the greatest artist. Okay? All right. Each of these beads is 2 inches long. Okay, so it is your job to write what the length of the beads is, or how the length of the string. If all those are 2, what would the length be? Okay, And number 4, or 9, hot problem. Maurice is the name. Read it.
Maurice has a string that is 15 inches long. He has beads that are each 3 inches long. How many beads will fit on the string?
So you're just kind of thinking, okay, so yes, you have a string, and like I said, I like to do pictures, but think about this. He has beads that are 3 inches long. He needs 15 inches. How many 3s can go into 15? Okay, it is multiplication. You are exactly right. This is a multiplication problem. But it's not like you guys haven't done multiplication problems before. You guys have. No, not just Chase. All of you have. In 2nd grade. When you guys were thinking about rows and how many things were in each row at the beginning of the year, you did multiplication. Okay? You actually did multiplication yesterday on your homework part of your problem. Because it told you that you had,
Oh, I thought you were talking about this.
it told you yesterday in your homework that, let's see, it says, there are 2 children in each row. How many children are in 5 rows? That's multiplication. That's what you did. There's 2 children in each row, and there's 5 rows. That's multiplication. I know this is multiplication too, but you guys have done it before. You can do it again.
I thought you were talking about the one like the line.
Okay? And then you guys are going to do this one on your own. Actually, you're doing all of this on your own. So. Okay. So I will get your partners for the show and share part, or share and show. This one. And then you guys will do the rest